Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an automatic download link with Google Drive. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to drive.google.com, and now we can create an automatic download link into one of your files already inside of here, or we can go ahead and upload a file. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on new. I'm going to upload a file. So I'm going to do file upload. And now I'm just going to choose this file here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on upload. Now this is going to upload. From here, I'm going to go to recent. Now this is the file that I want to create an automatic download link to. So if I click on the three dots here, and from here I want to click on share, and then I want to click share again. And now a little box should appear. Under general access, we need to change this. So we need to click on anyone with the link. From here, click on copy link. Now, if I paste this link in here like so, it's going to send me to the link where we can download it here. Like click on the download button, but we don't want to do that. We're going to create an automatic download link. So now in order to do this, I'll leave this in the bottom below, in the description below. So